Okay, so my air conditioner is not working. The fan is not blowing air, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it myself. Getting ready to go up into the attic. Can be hot up there. So I tested the capacitor, and I know it's bad, but I wanna remove the blower anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect all these wires so I can slide out the fan. I took a whole bunch of pictures already, so I can put the wires back correctly later on. I'm gonna have to be careful because there are a lot of sharp edges, and really I don't want to get my hand cut. I actually have a pair of gloves with me, so I'm gonna be using them later on. So the fins are quite sharp, so I have my glove on just in case. Oh God, it's quite warm up here. Here's the motor. It's about 15 years old. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it up and clean it up a little bit and put some grease. So hopefully it's gonna last a little bit longer. I went to a local AC store and bought 2 capacitors. They're $4.90 each. Okay, so here I hook it up, and I'm gonna be testing the motor. There you go, it's working. Awesome. Okay, so now before I remove the capacitor, I'm gonna have to be careful. I need to discharge it first, otherwise it's gonna shock me. Okay, so I installed the fan back and the control board. Here's the brand new capacitor. Just slide it in and tighten it up. Connect these 2 wires. Then I'm gonna have to reconnect the thermostat wires. I took a whole bunch of pictures for reference, so that should be easy. Switch the power back on. Turn on the AC. Okay, so now I'm gonna push the safety button. There you go. So when I put the cover back on, the button is gonna be pushed in. Boy, that feels good. Thank you for watching.